So today we're going to paint the calipers. I was gonna put them on, but my wife has some kind of, I don't know, makeup party or whatever, so I don't know when she'll be home. She said it'll be a couple hours, but it's now pushing 7 o'clock, so I don't think I'll be installing those today. So I went ahead and decided to go ahead and paint them. So you might ask, why would you want to paint your calipers? Well, I mean, first of all, they look nice. Second of all, it's rust prevention. I mean, you could see the previous video here. I'll show the clip right now, where the piston is just completely rusted out. The bottom of it is, and I mean, and they look nice, you know. Today we're going to install a helicoil in the AC compressor. I got a Helicoil kit on Amazon. It's pretty nice. It has multiple different sizes. Let's show you. Alright, so this is the Helicoil kit. Got it on Amazon. This is what all it includes. It's pretty nice, you know. It worked, even though I'm a dumbass and I don't know how to do it, but I feel like it's idiot proof. I don't know what these things are for though. Don't have a clue. It'd be nice if they were like magnets, that way you can get all the material out, but it's obviously not a magnet. But yeah, I got them on Amazon. I think it was like $39. It's got a bunch of different assortments, and it comes in a nice little case. We're gonna work on this one first, and then that's the one I drilled too big. Alright, so first thing we need to do is drill this out with the drill bit. Let me get you a better view here. Can you see better? Yeah. Not working out for me real well. Alright, now we need to take the tap and make some new threads. Alright, we got our threads on there. Now we take the helicoil and this tool. The helicoil's got that little thing, and then you screw it in. Alright, now we got new threads. Let's do this one. Alright, let's see if that works. Alright, let's see if we can get this one in there. Didn't drill deep enough. Looks like I got shavings in here. I'm gonna have to figure out how to clean that out. Maybe I should have unscrewed this top part. Might have been easier. Put it in the vise. I think this is how not to install helicoil. Now we put a helicoil inside the helicoil. I think I need to drill it deeper. Just don't know how much deeper I can go. Alright, that one's in there. Let's get this smaller one in now. Well, I think we fixed it. We'll see once we install it and see if there's any leaks. Alright, so we got a helicoil inside a helicoil. And then we got this one over here. I think it's going to work. This is probably not the way to do it, so do not follow my directions. This is the first time I've ever done a helicoil. But, I mean, I think it's going to work. I did get some shavings down in there, though. That's not good. But, oh well. Alright, so, I haven't really done much. Put the water neck on. I got the two sensors on. I still need to fix the wiring on that one. I plugged everything in over here with the fuel injectors. I did get the bolt on the throttle body that's down here. I still have not got the whatever this thing is. I forget what it's called. Let's see here. Oh yeah, the diagram is right there for all the vacuum lines. I'm an idiot. It's the purge cut solenoid valve. That's not it. It's the fast idle solenoid valve that I'm missing. Don't know where it's at. A lot of people say I don't need it, but either way I'll have to block it off. I would much rather just have it. I did jack the car up, so I have access to setting the timing. I found my timing cover and that piece that goes on the head, so I'm gonna have to take the cam gear back off to get that plastic piece back on there. I've been sorting through some of this wiring. This thing is I forget what you call it. It's for my dash cam. It keeps the power on even when the car is turned off. And then this right here is the gauges that I'm going to remove. The boost gauge and the fuel air ratio, the wideband. I'm going to remove those. So I've been fiddling around with the wiring, trying to get that fixed and removed. I'm going to probably get rid of this one and upgrade it to a different one. Just because I've had this thing, I don't know, 7 years, and it's old. The newer ones are better technology. They're not as big. I found my gauge, or not gauge, my little insert for my fog light switch. JDM, yo. I've got the power mirror and the headlight washers. which I don't have the nozzles. I mean, I have them, but I don't know where they're at. So I'm gonna have to find those. And I've got the tank and the pump for all that. Again, I'm gonna have to find it. And I've cleaned it out a little bit. I have a generic traction bar, but I'm missing bolts. I don't know where they're at, so I'm not gonna do that. I guess we'll keep the original thing. Plus the traction bar doesn't have the mount for the front mount. I would have to weld something. So that'll just have to come a different time. Plus this thing has, the alignment is, when it was parked, it was fairly recent. So the alignment should be good. I don't want to have to mess with that. And of course at the beginning of this video you saw that I painted the calipers for the 06 CRV. We have not put those on yet. But overall she's coming along. I mean, it's super slow, but I'm getting it done. Yeah, this video was kind of crappy. Nothing really done as far as progress. I did get the helicoils and the AC, but you know what they say, a little bit of progress is better than no progress at all. So please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you all in the next video.